Now let us see the major factors of the Industrial Revolution. Why did Industrial Revolution began first in England? And the first point is geographical location. There was no effect of Napoleonic conflict and wars, as England was separated from the mainland of Europe, and since there were no wars, conditions of the England remained quite stable, and this enabled England to develop their industrial capacity without fear of battles, damage or loss of life. The humid climate of England was also favorable for the establishment of textile factories. Another factor is availability of capital. England had made huge profits due to its growing trade with India and America. English investors also possessed a large amount of capital obtained from the Bank of England, and its credit system also helped England to be ahead of other European countries. The next factor is availability of natural resources. Iron was needed for the new machines and coal to run them. England was gifted abundantly with deposits of the natural resources like coal, iron, and mineral fuels, and this greatly helped the growth of numerous industries in England. There was also improvement in the techniques of coal mining. Metal cages and tubs were used to lift coal. Even the use of wire ropes for lifting coal was started. Engines were invented to pump out the water from the mines. At the same time, a large number of landless farmers came to the towns of England in search of jobs when they lost their work due to enclosure movement. Now, what do you mean by enclosure movement? It was a movement where the landlords had taken back the land from the small farmers and enclosed it to form large farms so that they could use modern techniques of farming, and this provided a perennial source of labor in England. The fourth factor is availability of labor. Now let's see how labor increased in England during the Industrial Revolution. During 18th century, population of England increased. Next, there was immigration of the people from other European countries to England. Immigration means moving from one place to another due to various reasons. Here it was to avoid religious persecution and to find employment. Religious persecution means the people in other European countries were persecuted, harassed in the name of religion. So they migrated to England and the labor increased. As machines and factories were coming up in England, people came to England in search of jobs to find employments, and so the labor force increased in England. Another factor in England's favor was scientific and technological knowledge. England was fortunate to have number of scientists and the discoverers. They discovered machines which would not only reduce the work of the people but at the same time produced goods of better quality and which were cost effective. This led to the invention of number of machines in England, which led to the establishment of factory system.